Hi, this is Meeta, and today I'm going to go over the accounts receivables and payables tracker. Let's get started. The first page is the settings page, and in that you're going to enter your company name and the fiscal period. Next, we come to the accounts receivables input tab. In that, you will list all the customers, the customer IDs if you have any, the invoice date, invoice number, the amount the customer already has paid. The balance due gets automatically calculated. You'll enter the due date of the invoice, any terms that you're giving to your customer, your product and service description. And to the right over here come the amounts outstanding. And this is your aging. So if you have an invoice, like say for instance, this one over here, this invoice was due on August 30th. It has still not been paid, and there's a balance due of $500. So it gets shown in the $500 under 31 to 60 days. And then if you come to an invoice, say, of which was due on October 18th, we come to over here where it shows it's within the 1 to 30 days outstanding period. So the longer the outstanding period, the darker the hue, and this is how you know that your invoices are outstanding. So let's do an example. Let's enter a customer name. Let's say F. Simmons. We put an ID, let's say 106. You do not have to if you don't need to. Then we go into invoice date. Let's say it's today's date, October 26th. The invoice number, 86. The invoice amount, say 1500. The amount he's paid, let's put it at 500. So the balance due is 1000. The due date, let's say for this person, is November 10th. Now when we go to this side, you see that there's $1,000 outstanding, but it's still current. It hasn't become overdue because November 10th has not come around as yet. Now, a neat feature of this accounts receivables and payables tracker is that there is an automatic Open Invoices tab, which records all the invoices for which you have balances due. So if we go there, you'll find that this invoice that we entered today gets recorded over here, and there's a balance due of $1,000. Now, say this person comes back today and pays off the remaining balance. So let's go back to accounts receivables and say he has paid the full amount of 1500. We'll wait for Google to update the balance due. It becomes 0. There's no more due date now. We remove that. And now if you go to Open Invoices, you'll see that that particular invoice is no longer showing because he has already paid it. These other invoices still show because they have not paid as yet. Now we go to the Accounts Payables tab. It is similar to how you would input your accounts receivables. Accounts payable is basically bills that you have to pay to your vendors, any bills that are due. And over here on the top are the total amounts, which you get a running total of for every column. So the total amount invoiced to you, the total you have paid so far, and the total due. So say it is a vendor called ABC Carpets. You can assign a vendor ID if you choose to. Say the invoice date is October 26th. Invoice number, if you wish to enter. And the amount is, say, $500. And say you have paid 200 so far. So the balance due is 300. And say they have given you a due date of November 5th. You can enter the service description. You can write carpet if you wish, and any other notes. You can even enter your terms if they've given you like net 30, net 60, whatever you like. And here you'll see the days outstanding. So it's still current because the due date has not come due. It's still current. Now say we were to change this due date to uh, October 24th. Then you see immediately it shows that you were supposed to pay it on October 24th, and it's been outstanding for 2 days, and it's within the 1 to 30 day outstanding period. Now we come to the aging report. This is the accounts receivables aging report, which basically summarizes all the information from your accounts receivable tab here. It's been formatted for easy printing, so you save on your printer ink, and you can simply print it out. You can go to File, Print, and you'll notice the print preview, and you can just go ahead and print it. So this becomes easy to print out and give to your bank or any other person you need to give an accounts receivable aging report to. And similarly, we also have an accounts payable aging report over here that has also been formatted to print. If you have any questions or comments, please contact me. My contact details are at my website, moneyusage.com. My email is moneyusage@yahoo.com. I'm also on various social media platforms, including Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.